Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a service resource. Service resources are individual users or a group of users known as service crews who perform field service work. We create service resources so we can assign them to service appointments so that those service resources can complete any work orders or work order line items that are associated with that appointment. There are two ways to create service resources. The first way is through guided setup, and the second way is through the service resources tab. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it both ways. We'll start with the guided setup approach. To navigate to guided setup, we'll click on the field service settings tab. From here, we'll click on go to guided setup. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to click on create service resources. So as you can see, there's already one service resource listed, which is myself. I'm going to go ahead and create a new service resource. So the first thing we'll do is we'll select a user. I'm going to click on Jeff Musk. It's important to remember a service resource needs to be associated with a user. I wouldn't be able to create a service resource for Jeff Musk unless he was already an existing user in Salesforce. So we have the service resource name, the username. You could provide a Gantt label. We're going to leave that blank. That's for the Gantt chart that you would see in the dispatcher console. And then you can also associate Jeff Musk with a service territory. If we click on this field, you'll see that I've created a bunch of service territories. I'm just going to assign Jeff to Philadelphia, and then we're going to click add. And it's really as simple as that. So we've created the new service resource, Jeff Musk. He's an active service resource. And if we go over to licenses, he has the scheduling license and permission. And then since Jeff is going to be a mobile technician, we're going to assign him the mobile license as well. So that's how you would create a service resource using the guided setup method. The other way that I mentioned in the beginning of the video is you can click on this service resource tab. And then from here, we would click on the new button. We would provide the name, Jeff Musk, find the associated user, Jeff Musk, pick the resource type. So technician, dispatcher, crew, we're going to keep it at technician. You could check the capacity-based checkbox. This relates to scheduling service resources. There's the description box. You can search for any scheduling constraints. We have the active checkbox, which you would check to make the service resource active. And then finally, we have the include and schedule optimization checkbox, which you would likely want to select to make sure that this service resource was included in any scheduling optimization. So I'm going to exit out of this window. So that's really all I have for this video. Once you create the service resource, there's a lot of various field service objects that you can associate the resource with. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.